Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what we confidently call the best display model tent, the VICVIK Military Scene Building Blocks Set. Whether you're a passionate military model enthusiast or looking for a creative, hands-on gift for a child, this set is absolutely worth your attention. Let's dive right in. This military tent model stands out for its nostalgic World War II theme. It's crafted to replicate a battlefield tent with a surprising amount of detail considering its compact design. The entire model is composed of interlocking bricks, making it compatible with mainstream building block brands. That gives you not just a tent, but a modular scene you can expand upon using other sets or even custom builds. Now, what really makes this tent exceptional as a display piece is the attention to realism. The colors are muted and earthy, matching the wartime aesthetic. We're talking about a tactical olive green finish, realistic tent shapes, and even brick-built accessories like crates and camp equipment. It doesn't feel like a toy, it looks like a model. And that distinction is important, especially for collectors or those looking to build a diorama or military-themed shelf display. Assembling the set is satisfying without being overwhelming. It's designed for kids, yes, but it still offers enough complexity to entertain older builders as well. With its relatively small footprint, it makes a perfect desk display, minimal space, maximum vibe. The included manual guides you through the build with clear visuals, and you don't need any special tools or experience to put it all together. VICVIK has also focused on durability. The bricks fit snugly and hold together well once assembled. So whether you're planning to use this for imaginative play or to build a static war scene, you won't be dealing with loose parts or weak joints. And since it's block-based, your only real limitation is your imagination. From a gifting perspective, this is a solid option for birthdays, holidays, or even military history fans. It bridges the gap between toy and collectible, making it suitable for a wide age range. Whether it's a child building their first army camp or an adult adding to their World War II collection, this tent finds a home. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that figures are not included in this particular set, which is actually a plus for collectors who prefer to choose their own characters. It keeps the focus on the structure and allows for more personal customization. To wrap it up, the VICVIK Military Scene Building Blocks Set offers realism, compatibility, creativity, and display quality in one compact model. It's sturdy, easy to build, and looks fantastic once complete. If you're looking for the best display model tent in a building block format, this is it. That's all for today on Product Critique. If you're into quality display models, building sets, or unique gifting ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews like this one. See you in the next video.